I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can turn on Face ID for Chase app. First off, you will have to go to your profile and settings app. So the thing I'm going to show on the screen right now is the profile and settings section here. Now on the profile and settings section here, instead of on the connect tab, you want to go on the settings tab. And on the settings tab, you can see that there is a Face ID option right there, right? Now on the Face ID section, you want to click on that. And then once you click on that, you can see you can turn on Face ID just by flipping the switch on just like that, right? Now, after you click that on, you can see when you sign into your account's Face ID, you don't need to tell us your password. You just have a Face ID on your iPhone, right? Keep in mind, of course, since Face ID is only available from iPhone, you will need to be able to do this settings from just an iPhone or other Apple devices. Android devices doesn't have Face ID. It has facial recognition, but it's not Face ID, right? So if you don't have a Apple iPhone or an iOS device, you won't be able to do this. But since if you have an iPhone, their settings will be, of course, be available. So again, just turn it on just like that, and you have Face ID turned on for your Chase app account. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.